If someone were to ask me about an apprenticeship program, I always encourage them. There's no better route to advance your skill set and keep growing in a career. I applied for the apprenticeship because I wanted to become a part of something and not only have a job but a career.
An apprenticeship is part of the path that will get you to that position where you can go any place in this plant. It goes from entry level all the way to president.
I would say my apprenticeship status and corresponding journey worker status has definitely helped a great deal in me achieving the position that I have now. It is internationally renowned. Anywhere I go in this country and potentially globally, it's recognized as, hey, you've done your due diligence, you've put forth the effort, you definitely know what you're doing.
People that I work with, they know what I'm working towards. They're behind me, they help me out if I need it. If I have questions, I'll go to them. I learn every day that I'm here.
Apprenticeship has given me the skill set and the drive to continue my education further. To this day, as plant manager, I still go to school.
One of the great things is that you can earn while you learn. Obviously, you're at work, so you're getting paid your comparable work wages, and then that's also your education.
Minnesota Department of Labor is here to help us move forward and push the apprenticeship programs to make it easier and better for our colleagues to get that career in manufacturing or a career in the apprenticeship program that they pick.
The Minnesota Department of Veterans Affairs and the Minnesota Department of Labor and Industry have a strong partnership. We tie those together so men and women seeking an apprenticeship know that they can use their GI Bill in a program that's been vetted by two separate agencies so that those benefits are in their back pocket while they're going through that training program.
The benefit to setting up an apprenticeship program is to really maintain engaged employees that are not just going to a job, they're going to a career, they're going to lifelong learning, they're going to have something feasible to take with them, and they're going to feel like they belong.